The need for periodic maintenance on vehicles hasn't changed since the automotive industry began. With the increasing life expectancy of a vehicle and the high cost of repairs, it's important for you to stick with a maintenance program. Every vehicle's needs are different, so the best place to begin is by reading your owner's manual. However, there are rules of thumb that manufacturers provide about periodic maintenance. The heart of your vehicle is the engine. Keep it in tip-top shape with regular oil and filter changes. This prevents increased engine emissions and drivability problems. It also keeps the engine clean and avoids sludge buildup. Because of the trend to downsize components, today's vehicles also run hotter than they used to. That's why it's key to maintain the cooling system. A periodic coolant replacement eliminates scale and corrosion buildup. The most important fluid in your vehicle and the one most often ignored is brake fluid. Over time, sludge builds up and could block the valves inside the anti-lock brake units. Lack of brake fluid can also cause cylinders to leak and result in costly repairs. The transmission fluid also needs to be replaced on a regular basis. Remember that even one transmission replacement will probably greatly exceed the cost of all the fluid and filter changes for the entire life of the vehicle. Filters are a significant part of regular maintenance too. Air and fuel filters keep dirt out of the engine, and when these filters clog, problems arise. If your engine runs on a timing belt, it's crucial that it's replaced before it breaks and leaves you stranded. Simply ask your mechanic to check the timing belt before serious engine damage occurs. Tires are one of the most significant maintenance items under your vehicle. Get the most out of them by rotating and balancing on a regular basis. The rotation ensures even wear and eliminates vibration, while the balance reduces stress on shocks, struts, and steering components. Making sure the tire pressure is set correctly will help extend tire life and provide better fuel economy as well. Keeping up with periodic maintenance is critical in getting the most out of your vehicle and the best insurance you can have against unexpected breakdowns.
At Toyota Sunnyvale, the fastest growing Toyota dealer in Northern California, we offer our exclusive 10-point value guarantee and discounted pricing right up front, plus a 3-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee and more. We are conveniently located in the heart of Silicon Valley at 898 West El Camino Real and at toyotasunnyvale.com.